Is it possible maybe to have a love so strong that nothing could ever compare? I'm holding back nothing just for the look in your eyes. So baby, don't be surprised. Well, I want to know what makes your world go round, and I want to hear your voice for the sound of love that defines all I've had in mind. Now I'm holding back nothing for the look in your eyes. Impossible maybe, but worth one last try. Now I'm waiting on your reply. I'm sitting here patiently just for a chance that I might be able to hold you tight. And I want to know what makes your world go round, and I want to hear your voice from the sound of love that defines all I've had in mind. Now I'm holding back nothing for the look in your eyes. Now time is all that we have, so won't you let me inside your perfect world for one night? Just open up for me, girl, I swear that I will be everything you ever thought a man should be. And I want to know what makes your world go round, and I want to hear your voice for the sound of love that defines all I've had in mind. Now I'm holding back nothing for the look in your. I can see the way you're looking back at me. Oh, could it be that you see what you want to see? Just let your eyes believe that can never lie to you. In my heart you will be forever, and I'm holding back nothing for the look in your eyes.